Want to go to our next step with the bacon. Get you any kind of bacon, and you're just going to dice these up. So go ahead and just go ahead and cut your bacon. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some almond bacon green beans. Go ahead and cut the ends of your green beans and rinse them off. And now we're going to go ahead and season it. So now I'm going to just use some Mrs. Dash. As you can see, yes, I love my Mrs. Dash. And some onion powder. Yes, I'm putting onion powder in here. I like my green beans to be flavorful. Go ahead and add you some garlic powder as well. You can't have onion and garlic powder without each other. That's just my thing. Don't mind me. Go ahead and with some accent. Yes, I still use accent on my food. And then you're going to go in with some seasoning salt. So you put this seasoning salt in there. Yes, yes, yes. And the last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put some black pepper in there. Oh, wait a minute. We also have to get some olive oil. Yes, this is some extra virgin olive oil. I'm trying to show you the brand. So go ahead and just sprinkle that on top. Yes, just like that. And go ahead and get a spoon or something, whatever you're using to mix this all together. So you want to make sure all this is mixed together and incorporated so it can cook through thoroughly. So now we want to go in with the bacon. So we're going to dice us up some bacon. Just probably I don't know how thick this is, but you see. So you want to go ahead and sprinkle the bacon on there. Make sure when you're putting the bacon on there, you are pulling them apart so each bacon can be individually by itself so it won't stick together. So go ahead and complete this and just cut up the bacon and place it on top. Okay, now we want to go in with our sliced almonds. This is the brand I had out of Kroger's. It just don't matter. Just go ahead and open up your almonds, and you're just going to sprinkle some on top. I'm actually going to do 2 handfuls of almonds. Depends on how much almonds you want. Go ahead and put this on the oven for 45 minutes on 380, and we're going to come back. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this. It smells absolutely great. So I made me some bacon chicken thighs. I had that recipe below. Let me give me an almond in there. Trying to get 2. But this is making it difficult. So bear with me. I'm trying to pick up the bacon and the almond. Okay. Just give me an almond. Here go the bacon. This is actually pretty good. It's very flavorful. That bacon juice is giving it. I'm telling you, a bomb taste. The almonds give it make it not make the green bean crunchy, but like a crunchy taste. This is actually pretty good, and it's something healthy. You don't have to use bacon. You can use turkey bacon, beef bacon, or no bacon. Just do it with the almonds in there. But I just wanted to try something different. So yeah, I tried this. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know how you make your almond bacon green beans. Until next time, peace out. Subscribe to Talessia's Kitchen. Share this. Send this to your folks. Get this out. Like, comment so I can get up in the algorithm. Peace, y'all.